I'm Tabitha Burley with Street City Realty. I'm doing this video for you today to address some questions I know you have. So let's address the elephant in the room. In case you hadn't noticed, yes, I'm in a wheelchair, and that is why I'm known as your rolling real estate broker. Now I know how uncomfortable it can be sometimes to talk about things like physical challenges and other limitations, so I'm going to make this easy for you. I've heard all the questions before, so no questions are off limits. Oh, and please, you won't offend me. You see, I've been in a wheelchair all my life, so I'm comfortable and confident talking about any questions or concerns you may have in regards to access to homes. So let's get started. I'm sure one of the first questions you have is, how do I show or preview homes with limited or no wheelchair access? Well, I'm happy to tell you I have the perfect solution. I work with a licensed sales representative who is reliable and consistent and is able to do the legwork for me, pun intended. Together we go to a property, and if I cannot access the interior, he goes in on my behalf and reports his findings to me. In addition, my partner attends showings of homes without wheelchair access to ensure that homes are being shown with the same care and competency that I provide my clients. We have the same arrangement for open houses. Either I or my partner will hold open houses on properties that we list to maximize the exposure to the buying public. So the bonus is to the client. When working with me, you get a 2-for-1 deal. This means you're working with a licensed sales representative and a licensed broker who are working diligently to ensure our clients' needs are being met when buying or selling a home. For clients who need wheelchair access, either now or in the future, I am your obvious best choice. This is a particular advantage to adults, elderly, or children who use a wheelchair. For people looking to the future and want to ensure their future home can really be forever, I'm here to help. Your realtor needs to know what you're going through, can spot issues, and give solid, honest recommendations. It goes without saying, for every client, I provide advice, knowledgeable information in a timely manner. With excellent negotiation skills and the security of a dual team working on your behalf. If you're considering moving, I'd be happy to work with you to find the perfect property while minimizing the stresses associated with buying or selling a home. After all, it is my job to make the buying and selling process as smooth as possible by offering thoughtful, qualified insights to ensure you get the best deal possible. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you.